Sprint predictability in software development refers to a team's ability to consistently deliver the work they commit to within a sprint. It answers a simple but important question. Can the team reliably do what they plan to do in a fixed time period? High sprint predictability builds trust with stakeholders, improves planning, and reduces last-minute surprises. At its core, sprint predictability is about matching commitments with outcomes. During sprint planning, the team selects a set of backlog items based on priorities and capacity. Predictability is achieved when most of those selected items are completed, according to the agreed definition of done by the end of the sprint. One key factor influencing sprint predictability is stable team capacity. When the same team members work together over multiple sprints with minimal interruptions, their delivery patterns become more consistent. Frequent changes in team composition, unplanned absences, or external distractions make it harder to predict how much work can realistically be completed. Clear and well-refined backlog items also play a major role. User stories that are small, well understood, and properly estimated reduce uncertainty during execution. Poorly defined requirements or oversized stories often lead to rework, delays, and incomplete work, lowering sprint predictability. Accurate estimation supports predictability but does not guarantee it. Estimation helps teams set expectations, yet predictability improves more from learning historical delivery patterns than from trying to estimate perfectly. Teams that reflect on past sprints and adjust their planning based on actual outcomes tend to become more predictable over time. Velocity is commonly used as an indicator of sprint predictability. When a team's velocity remains relatively stable across multiple sprints, it becomes easier to forecast future delivery. Large swings in velocity may signal underlying issues such as technical debt, unclear requirements, or frequent scope changes. Sprint predictability is also affected by how well teams manage scope during the sprint. Adding new work mid-sprint or changing priorities really disrupts focus and reduces the likelihood of completing planned items. Predictable teams, they protect the sprint goal and handle urgent changes through agreed-upon processes. Technical quality directly impacts predictability. Teams with strong automated testing, continuous integration, and low defect rates face fewer unexpected setbacks. Poor quality often leads to unplanned bug fixing, which consumes capacity and makes sprint outcomes harder to predict. Regular inspection and adaptation improve sprint predictability over time. Sprint reviews and retrospectives help teams identify what caused deviations between planned and completed work. By addressing root causes, such as dependencies, estimation issues, or workflow bottlenecks, teams gradually increase reliability. Sprint predictability should not be confused with rigid control or pressure to deliver at all costs. The goal is not to force teams to meet unrealistic commitments, but to help them plan realistically and work sustainably. A healthy level of predictability supports transparency and continuous improvement. In the long run, sprint predictability enables better decision-making at both team and organizational levels. Product owners can plan releases more confidently, stakeholders gain trust in delivery timelines, and teams experience less stress. When combined with a focus on value, quality, and learning, sprint predictability becomes a powerful indicator of a mature and effective software development process.